Welcome to True Money Talks, a brand new podcast series on personal finance presented by Truemind Capital. I'm Shivani Chopra, your moderator for the day, and joining me is Sumit Duseja, co-founder and CEO of Truemind Capital. Welcome, Sumit.
Thank you, Shivani. It's great to be here.
Our topic for the day is how to build a solid mutual fund portfolio, and this is going to be part 1. In this particular episode, we are going to talk everything about portfolio structuring. What makes mutual funds such a smart choice, especially as compared to the other investment options which are available?
What I believe is that mutual fund is the most effective way to take exposure towards various asset classes like equity, debt, and gold to help create, grow, and preserve wealth. One should only consider other products once you do not have options available in a mutual fund portfolio. Having an asset allocation plan and having your risk profile and financial plan in place is very, very important. Then valuations matter a lot. So any investment should always consider what risk reward I am getting. So our end objective is to minimize risk and maximize the reward. And that's how a portfolio should be constructed in a very methodical way, in a very professionally and structured way, which has science, art, experience, and overall behavioral aspect also involved. So there's a lot that goes into building a good, strong mutual fund portfolio.